Hey guys, thanks for checking out my new channel. I'm Frankie, and this channel is going to be about repairing medium heavy duty trucks equipment on site, in shop, pretty much a different variety of things. Servicing F-250, doing a clutch on a Mack, hopefully not this Mack. My service truck, don't want to do one of those anytime soon if I don't have to, but I do have a mid-80s Mack coming in, our model, needs a clutch, so bring you along on that step by step. Be a lot of how-to videos, some videos simple, kind of do-it-yourself stuff. Some might be a little more involved, but give you an idea of if you're having this job done at a shop or somewhere else, at least you know what's going on. And I'll bring you along breakdowns, roll calls, services, you know, anything I can bring you with. I work on a lot of Fords. 99% of my medium duty repairs seem to be on Ford. Just that's what my customers have, my fleets, and just so. Been working on a lot of them for a long time. I'm working on a lot of the new 6.7s lately. They're coming out of warranty, so they've been coming to me. Thanks for watching this intro video to my channel, and there'll be more videos to come.